और ये हमारे संतोष भाई, इनका प्री वेडिंग शूट चालू है. दिस इज द एंटायर साइज ऑफ द रूम. एंड ये पूजा, स्पॉट दादा, पूजा, संतोष की बहन.
जो भी कपड़े समेट हुए हैं.
Hey guys, what's up? Abhijit here and welcome back to my channel. And today I am here at Hcity, Kalyan, which is in Mumbai, in the outskirts of Mumbai. So this is a pre-wedding destination. It's like Sex in the City and Honeybook Studio. So this is a newly opened place and not much promoted, not much known. So that's the main gate, entrance gate. And over here you have the parking. And let me take you through this entire set. So it's evening time and the sun is setting over there. So this is like the first set which is still under construction. Over here we have the Dubai garden. Here we have a cute little bus stop and a telephone booth. Over here we have some nice graffiti, colorful designs, music and pianos kept here. We have a jewelry box here, Forever Jewels, and there is like a shopping mall over here wherein you can shop for clothes. Not actually, but this is just a set. And over here there's a colorful scooter and front of a vintage car. This is like an old garage with an electric scooter which is on charging, and this is a cute little cycle which is again a prop. This is another set over here which has a cycle and nice colors, nice backdrop, so you can shoot here. Again some good paintings on the wall. And over here you have this blue colored set which is good for western outfit. And again over here you have one more set which is again good for western outfit. And you have a hath rickshaw hand cart over here and a poolside setup over here. And opposite to the pool side you have a cafeteria wherein you can have your breakfast, lunch and tea, snacks, water, everything you can get here. So this is like an entire set in itself, well designed. So you can use this as a set as well. And that is the entire set that we have seen so far. And over here you have 2 or 3 more sets. So this is one set which is like a bamboo tree house. I'm not sure if you can see properly. Yeah, it's a bamboo tree house. And over here you have this huge Raj Mahal for traditional outfit, so you can get really good shots. यहाँ से सीढ़ियाँ भी है, the staircase. You can fly your drone here and get some really cool shots, but just be careful of this electric wires. These are high tension wires and there are like 3 parallel high tension wires running over the property. So this entire property is actually built in an area of high tension wire, so you need to be careful while you're flying your drone here. And there are few more sets which are like under construction over here. And here is a blue set as well, so you can have a gown or something for the bride and something like a traditional setup, traditional outfit for this and this set. This is like a temple in itself, Raj Mahal kind of a thing, which is really pretty. So I think today there are only like 3 couples on the set, so only 3 teams, so not much crowded. And there is 2 more sets, 2 or 3 more sets. I have to go from behind. So the charges are around 20 to 25,000 for 12 hours. So for one day it's between 20 to 25,000. You can check on their website for the pricing, and I'll share the Google Map location and the link for bookings in the description below. So this is another set which is actually for night, specially meant for night, because there are these LED lights and a small jail kind of a setup with green grass and tiles in checkered styles. So these are all set with bulbs and LED lights, so it's good for night shoot. Even here, now there are few more sets which is on the left hand side while you enter, so let me take you over there. So one big disadvantage is this high tension wire right in the center of the property, which is covered with this thin layer of baskets, bamboo basket. So as you can see this, there is this high tension wire running right inside of this set, and the sunset looks damn pretty. Sun is setting from there. The golden light looks really pretty. Now one thing that I really didn't like about this place is that they are charging 20 rupees for each bottle of water, and there are no filters or coolers to refill the bottles. It's pretty hot here today. It's around 40 degrees, so we are just feeling too thirsty and you need to get the water bottles from here. There is coupon system, so for 500 rupees you get like 25 coupons of 20 rupees each, and with that you get either one bottle of water or like a Maaza, small Maaza, or a thumbs up, or lassi is there, and even the chai that costs 20 rupees, masala chai, even though it's tasty, but 20 rupees is like too much for it. And you get 3 meals, so it's breakfast, lunch and some evening snacks, hopefully. So this is the left side. So as you enter from here, that is the entire set area, that entire road, and when you take a left, there are this nice graffiti textured walls and sets, nicely painted with good color combinations, very bright colors, as you can see. So these are all really good sets for photo shoot, video shoot. You can use it as and when and how you want to. This is super cool. So as you can see, I clicked some good pictures over here, which I'll share in the video, so you can get inside and click pictures. This is another nice looking rainbow colored wall, and if you are able to hear the sound that is of these wires, high tension wires running up, the humming sound which you can hear, yeah, that is because of these wires. So just be careful if you're flying a drone. And let me get out of this place and let's go to that area. So this is again some graffiti here, So this is a railway platform set, Hcity junction. As you can see, it's written there, Hcity junction, and there is one set over here which is like a musical setup. And over here we have the cowboy setup and the Maldives setup. So this entire area is the cowboy setup, where you have cows and jail, and not cows, sorry, I mean guns. So this is the entire setup for the cowboy area. It's written here cowboys collection. There are guns, and inside this is a bar. Yeah, so as you can see, there is a cowboy hat here and few guns, some wine bottle, and this is the bar area. So you can put on the lights and shoot here. There are staircase, so you can go up over there as well. And this is the drumming area, so you can play the drums and pose and click pictures. Here is a carom board setup, so you can play carom and click pictures. And this is the fountain area. The fountain is currently off because there's nobody here to shoot or shooting. And this is the Maldives setup, so that is a waterfall. And let's go inside. So again, this is one beach and sand setup over here. So as you can see this, and that's a dang pretty sunset. And this is that temple kind of a setup, Raj Mahal, for traditional shoot. And over here you have this beach setup. You have a small boat and the sunbath area, and these are like the huts for Maldives setup. So you can go inside this and shoot. So you can make the couple sleep here in the center of the circle and take a drone shot. So this is how the entire place looks like. This is the Matka wall, along with the graffiti bamboo walls, bamboo basket wall. Here you have some artificial flowers put up, and the rooms and the washrooms are inside this. So let me take you inside. So these are the common washroom. There are 3 washrooms. It's 1, 2 and 3, and the rooms are on that side. This is the main office. The rooms are here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the only indoor setup that I found, which has a piano. And these are the water bottles. And now let's get into the room. और ये हमारे संतोष भाई, इनका प्री वेडिंग शूट चालू है. This is the entire size of the room. And ये पूजा, स्पॉट राधा, पूजा, संतोष की बहन.
जो भी कपड़े समेट रही है.
ये रूम चालू होते ही ख़त्म. So guys, that was a tour of this set, and यहाँ पे सब कुछ अच्छा है. वन थिंग इज़ वेरी सॉर्टेड दैट जो भी है पूरा सेट इस सिंगल बोर्ड पे ही है, सिंगल लिन पे है. एंड जस्ट 3 or 4 सेट्स ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. द बैड थिंग इज़ रूम्स काफ़ी छोटे हैं. यू डोंट हैव एनी स्पेस, मच स्पेस. वी गॉट 2 rooms for 10 people. पानी के बॉटल का थोड़ा सीन है. एंड they should keep cooler water filter so that it becomes easy for everyone to drink water. The washroom should be little more clean. And AC सिर्फ रूम में है. They should have the air condition in the lobby as well. This is a pre-wedding going on. So yeah, this is a new place to explore if you are looking for something nice for a pre-wedding shoot in and around Mumbai. This is like 14 kilometers from Kalyan station, so you can just take an auto or Ola Uber and come to this place. So that's it from this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you're planning for your pre-wedding shoot, you can come here and check out this place. It's a nice place and it's quite empty. It's not crowded like sets in the city or honeymoon studios, which have become popular now. And there are no strict rules as such as of now. You can click pictures here even if you are not a couple. So hope you guys like this video. Do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Bye bye.